Hello all, welcome in our science period. Today we shall learn good health. You will be able to learn about the various types of nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals and roughage. Children, when do you eat food? The answer is simple. We eat food when we are hungry. We like to eat food that tastes delicious, isn't it? We like pizza more than a roti. But sometimes the food that we love to eat is not good for our health. Pizza is not good for our health. Food helps us to grow and stay away from diseases. Research has shown that children who do not eat well fall ill more often. Means when the children they don't eat their food properly, often they fall sick. They feel lazy and tired most of the time. They do not have much energy to do the work and study. So, it is difficult for them to be alert in the class or enjoy sports activity in school. Therefore, it is very important to eat the right kind of food. Then, what are the components? What are the food material that a person should eat? Let us see about the nutrients. The food we eat contains five main nutrients: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients are present in different food items. These nutrients are present in different food items. It do not contain in only one food item. Each nutrient is necessary for us to live, grow and develop. Suppose only our body is getting carbohydrates, not the fats and proteins. So it is also not suitable the body. Therefore, we should eat a variety of food so that our body gets each type of nutrient properly. Water and roughage means fiber. These are also essential components of the food that we eat. You will say how water is helping, how water helps. Water helps in the proper digestion of the food. Let us see first carbohydrates and fats. What are carbohydrates? We can say it as energy giving nutrients too. Carbohydrates and fats, it gives energy to our body. Where we can get carbohydrate? We get carbohydrate in rice, wheat, sweet potato, bread and bananas. These are the rich source of carbohydrates, means we will get more carbohydrate in these food items. Then where do we get fats? Fats are found in ghee, oil, cheese, butter and nuts. Fats give more energy than carbohydrates. Fats also help to keep our body warm. Next is protein. What is the role of protein? Proteins are mostly known as body building nutrients. Our body requires proteins in large quantities and protein plays a vital means important role in our growth. What is its role? They help in building bones, muscles and other parts of the body. They also help in repairing injured tissues when we get hurt. Sometimes while playing we get scratches on the hand or knee and that part get injured. So these tissues are redeveloped when we eat protein. Milk, eggs, meat, curd, soya bean, fish and pulses, these are the sources of proteins. From where do we get protein? Food products like milk, eggs, meat, curd, soya bean, fish and pulses. These food items will provide us proteins. Next is vitamins and minerals. We can say it as protective nutrients. Vitamins keep our body fit and help it to resist diseases. Suppose if we stuck to major disease, so that time these vitamins help our body to recover. What are the kinds of vitamins? Vitamins are of six kinds: A, B, C, D, and K. These are some of the vitamins that our body needs. Where do we get these vitamins? We get these vitamins from fresh fruits and vegetables, eggs and fish. When we eat these, we will get all these vitamins. Minerals help our body to grow well and develop properly. Iron, iodine, and calcium. These are some minerals which are required by our body. Bones are made up of minerals such as calcium. These minerals help keep our bones and teeth healthy. Milk, green leafy vegetables, and fruits, these are the rich sources of minerals. We need vitamins and minerals in small quantities. We do not need much as proteins and carbohydrates. We eat different types of vegetables and food items. The food that we get from plants, it contains fiber or roughage. A body does not digest roughage. So what is the role of roughage in our body? Roughage helps in the digestion of food by helping it pass through the digestive system. This is the main role of roughage. Green leafy vegetables, carrot, cucumber and legumes, these all contain roughage. Children, do you know who are called as vegan? A person who does not eat any animal product is called as a vegan. Vegan diet includes all grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes and beans. So children, in this video we have learnt about carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals, fats and roughage, which are the essential component that a person's body needs. Eat right kind of the food, stay healthy and happy. Thank you. Have a great time ahead.